Good morning class. Now I will show you today the 6 practical based on the human anatomy or animal life. The first practical of human anatomy is the excretory system. Now today I will show the excretory system, the model of the not only the model of the excretory system but also the chart of the excretory system. Now it has the human excretory system has a pair of kidney. The pair of kidney is present on either side of the backbone, and the ureter, a tube-like structure, arises from the hilum of the kidney, and this is called the ureter. Pair of ureter is present, and it coming out from the kidney, each kidney, and it ends in the bladder-shaped structure. This bladder is called urinary bladder, and it stores the urine in it. Our blood is excrete or filtered here, and the urine comes through this ureter and stored in the bladder. And this bladder is attached with the urethra, and through which the urine is coming out. This is the external structure of urine. This blue colored structure, this blue pipe is the artery, and this red pipe is the vein. The aorta bifurcates into the two renal arteries. Renal artery supplies the blood to the kidney. And this renal artery supplies the blood to the kidney, and the blood filters here, and after filtering the deoxygenated blood comes to the veins, and then it moves to the heart, and the filtrate, that is urine, comes with the ureter in the urinary bladder. This is the system of excretory system. This is the external structure. Now the internal structure of kidney is like that. It divides into two parts, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is cortex and inner layer is medulla. Medullary region of the kidney is stripped because of the presence of nephron in it. Nephrons are tubular structure. They are also called the kidney tubules or urinary varus tubules. These tubules are tubular structure so that the appearance of medulla is stripped, and they form the pyramid-like structure. So it is called stripped pyramidal region. And in the cortex, the cup of the Bowman's capsule is present so that cortex is dotted in appearance. This is the structure, and this strip ends in the pelvis. In the pelvis, all the filtrate collects, and then from this yellowish structure is the pelvis, and all the filtrate means urine collects in it, and from the pelvis it moves from the ureter to the bladder. This is all about the excretory system. Now we will meet with the 7th practical in next class. Till then, thank you.